Understanding, make my blood boil, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, make my blood boil. This expression is a vivid way to describe strong emotions, and understanding it can add depth to your English conversations. So, let's dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it effectively. The phrase, make my blood boil, is used to express a feeling of intense anger or irritation. It doesn't mean that someone's blood is literally heating up. Instead, it's a metaphorical way to describe emotions so strong, they feel as though they could raise your body temperature. When someone or something makes your blood boil, it triggers a reaction in you that is deeply frustrating or infuriating. This idiom has a long history in the English language. It's believed to originate from the physical symptoms of anger, such as feeling flushed or overheated, which metaphorically resemble boiling. Over time, make my blood boil has become a common way to describe severe annoyance or anger, capturing the intensity of the emotion in vivid, physical terms. To understand how to use make my blood boil, let's look at some examples. 1. Seeing people litter in the park makes my blood boil. 2. It makes my blood boil when someone interrupts me while I'm speaking. 3. The way they treated him was unfair and made my blood boil. These examples show how the phrase can be used to express strong disapproval or anger towards someone's actions or a particular situation. When using make my blood boil, it's important to remember that it conveys a strong emotional response. Use it in contexts where you want to express that something has deeply upset or angered you. It's also helpful in storytelling or describing past events to convey the intensity of your feelings. However, be mindful of the situation and audience, as it's a powerful expression best suited for informal settings or among friends. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, make my blood boil, and how you can use it to express strong emotions in English. It's expressions like these that add color and depth to our conversations, allowing us to communicate our feelings more vividly. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.